Hi mga kawaw math, in this video we will solve problems involving linear equations and linear inequalities in two variables. So our objective, we will solve problems involving linear inequalities in two variables. So let's have first the keywords in solving problem. So dapat ito yung mga words na kapag nabasa ninyo sa problem, you know what symbol to be used. So ano-ano ba yung mga yon? So make sure to use an inequality appropriate for the condition of the word problems. So ano-ano ba yon? So ito yung mga symbol. So if the problem states less than, then you have to use this symbol. If it states more than or greater than, ito po yun. Okay? Ito madalas to, yung at most, no more than, not exceed, or not exceeding. So itong mga to, ito po siya, less than or equal. Ibig sabihin kasi ng at most, not more than, no more than, not exceed. Ibig sabihin, ito na yung pinaka-maximum hanggang dito lang. Kaya ang magiging symbol mo dyan is less than or equal. And then at least, ibig sabihin, halimbawa, at least 3. So at least 3, ibig sabihin, 3 yung pinaka-mababa. So it can be greater than 3. Okay? Kaya ang symbol natin dyan, greater than. Kasi it can be greater than 3. Okay? Kaya at least. Okay. Now, so let's have the steps in solving a problem. So first, understand the problem. Second is you have to plan and represent the given. Ito na yung representation. And then after representing the given, carry out the plan and then check the result. Okay. So let's have first this one. So let's have example, solve the following problems involving linear inequalities in two variables. So, bago tayo mag-proceed sa ating word problems, tingnan muna natin ito. Try natin. So, I have here, kapag ganito ang tanong, what are the values of y in y is less than 6 minus 3x if your x is equal to negative 5. So, minsan baka ma-encounter nyo itong ganitong question. So, ano po ang gagawin natin? So, what are the values of y in y is less than 6 minus 3x if x is equal to negative 5? So, mukha siyang mahirap. Pero, all you have to do is to substitute. Isa-substitute lang po natin. So, copy your given. And then, itong negative 5 na given mo, isa-substitute mo lang po dito. Okay? So, let's substitute. Now, you will have y is less than 6. So, this will become positive kasi negative. So, that will become positive 15. 3 times 5 is 15. Now, so you will have y is less than 6 plus 15. That is 21. Okay, so therefore, what are the values of y in y is less than 6 minus 3x if x is equal to negative 5? So, ibig sabihin, ang values ng y mo ay simula, less than 21 daw. So, simula sa 20 pababa. So, paano mo yan ilalagay into set notation? So, ibig sabihin, from negative infinity up to 20. Okay, bakit 21 to? Okay, ibig sabihin, since parenthesis ito, ibig sabihin yung 21 hindi kasama sa solution. Kasi ang sabi, less than. Okay, so kung ipapakita mo siya into set notation or interval notation, ilalagay mo dito yung 21, but you're going to use parenthesis. Okay, ibig sabihin yung 21 hindi kasama. So, this is your set notation. Now, if in case na meron tayong equal dito, ibig sabihin kasama yung 21, you will be using a bracket. Ibig sabihin 21 is included in the solution. Okay? Let's have the next one. So, what are the values of x in 3x plus 1 is less than or equal to 7y if y is equal to negative 2. So, what are you gonna do? You just have to substitute. So, 3x plus 1 is less than or equal to 7y. So, copy your given. And then, your y is equal to negative 2 raw. So, you're going to substitute negative 2 dito sa ating y. So, you will have 3x plus 1 is less than or equal to multiply this 2. So 7 times negative 2, that is negative 14. Now, so from here, you're going to use APE. So ito, magiging ano na siya, 3x is less than or equal to negative 14. This will become minus 1. Okay, so using APE. So minus 1 na siya. And then you will have 3x is less than or equal to negative 14 minus 1, that is negative 15. So divide both sides by 3. So sanay na tayo doon, yung divide both sides. Kung ano yung coefficient mo dito, i-divide natin siya doon. So since this is 3, so 3 divided, negative 15 divided by 3. So this will be cancelled. So you will now have negative 15 divided by 3, that is negative 5. So therefore, the values of x are less than or equal to negative 5. So ibig sabihin, equal to negative 5 or less than negative 5. Okay, so paano mo siya ilalagay? So from negative infinity up to negative 5. So as you can see, since may equal tayo dito, ibig sabihin kasama yung negative 5 natin. That's why I use brackets. Okay? So yun po ang gagawin. So kapag hindi siya kasama, you're gonna use a parenthesis. If the answer is included or part of the solution, you're gonna use bracket. Okay? So therefore, our set notation is from negative infinity up to negative 5. So kasama yung negative 5. Let's have that third one. So find the range of values of y in the equation y is equal to 2x minus 3 for x is greater than negative 1 but less than or equal to positive 1. So paano kapag ganito? Binigyan ka ng equation and then you are asked to find the range of values. Okay? So, paanong gagawin natin dito? So, kapag ganito na ang hinahanap ay range of values, all you have to do is to copy the equation and then itong dalawa, kung ano yung given mo, since x is greater than negative 1 but less than or equal to positive 1, so anong gagawin natin? Isa-substitute mo lang yan dito sa x kasi ang sabi, ito raw yung values ng x. So, substitute mo siya dito, i-substitute mo rin siya sa 1, positive 1. Okay? So, let's have the first one. So, 2 times, ilalagay mo dito negative 1, okay, and then minus 3. So, you will have, okay, 2 times negative 1, that is negative 2 minus 3. So, this is y is equal to negative 5. Okay, let's have the second one. So, positive 1 naman ang ilalagay natin. So, you will have y is equal to 2 times 1. Lalagay natin si 1 minus 3. So, this is 2 times 1. That is 2 minus 3. So, this is negative 1. Okay. Is this the end? No. Kasi ang hinahanap natin ay range of values. Okay. So, ano daw ang values ng y natin? Okay. So, paano mo siya gagawin? Here it is. So, ang gagawin po natin, therefore, your negative y, your x is greater than negative 5. Alright, so therefore, the range of values of y, so this is y ha, kanina x, sorry for the typo. So, this is y. So, our values of y will be greater than negative 5 but less than or equal to negative 1. So, ito ngayon na magiging values ng y natin. Mas mataas siya sa negative 5, pero mas mababa naman or equal sa negative 1. So, tandaan, take note that the inequality symbol should match the ones in the given range. So, anong ibig sabihin nito? So, dapat kung ano yung symbol mo dito sa given mo, since less than ito and then less than or equal to, yun din po ang gagamitin mo. So, dapat match sila. Kung ano yung nandito, yun din po rito. Okay? And the order must be correct. Hindi pwedeng ito greater than o kaya ito nandito, ito nandun. Okay? So, tandaan po na kung ano po yung makukuha nating sagot dito, that will be the range. And then take note that the inequality symbol must be must be the same dito sa ating answer. Okay? So, therefore, the range of values of y in the equation y is equal to 2x minus 3 is greater than negative 5 but less than or equal to negative 1. Okay, let's have this one. Alex, a working student, has two part-time jobs. So, yung isa one paying 30 pesos per hour and another is paying 28 pesos per hour. He must earn at least 840 pesos per week to pay his expenses while attending college night classes. So, write an inequality that shows that various ways he can schedule his time to achieve his goal. So, ano ba yung question? Anong focus natin? So, aalamin natin yung schedule niya, yung iba't ibang schedule na pupwede para ma-achieve niya yung goal niya na makakuha siya o makapag-earn siya ng at least 840 pesos. So, 800, ibig sabihin ng at least 840 pataas. Okay? So, ano kaya dapat ang schedule niya? Ilang oras siya dapat magtrabaho dito sa first job niya at ilang oras siya dapat magtrabaho dito sa second job. So, maraming paraan. Okay? I mean, maraming ways. So, pwedeng iba-ibang oras, basta ang importante, ma-achieve niya yung goal niya na at least 840 pesos per week. So, first, understand the problem. So, highlights natin lahat ng given natin. And then, represent. Okay. So, meron tayong 30 pesos per hour. So, represent natin siya. Ito yung hourly rate niya dun sa first job niya. So, 30. Ita-times natin siya kung ilang oras siya mag-work doon. So, therefore, i-represent natin yung first job niya, yung number of hours niya na magtatrabaho siya dun sa first job as X. So, represent natin siya as X. Okay? Ito po, multiply ha. And then next, ipa-plus natin siya doon sa 28 pesos per hour dun sa second job niya. So, ito yung rate niya doon sa second job. Okay? Ita-times naman natin ito kung ilang oras siya magtatrabaho doon sa second job niya na i-represent natin as Y. Now, etong Y na to, so we now have yung 30 pesos na rate niya sa first job, kung ilang oras siya nagtrabaho, plus yung 28 pesos na rate niya dun sa kung ilang oras siya magtatrabaho sa second job. Dapat, ang kitain niya ay at least. So, kanina, pinakita ko yung mga keywords para alam natin kung anong symbol ang gagamitin. So, at least means greater than or equal ang gagamitin natin dyan. So, ito po siya. Okay? So, ibig sabihin kasi ng at least, dapat ito yung pinakamababa. So, it's either, ito yung minimum na dapat kitain niya pataas. So, dapat greater than or equal. Okay? So, ito po siya. Now, so therefore, write an inequality that shows the various ways. So, ang gagawin natin, dapat ma-identify muna natin kung ano yung inequality para makuha natin yung various ways. Okay? So, therefore, given this pattern, o ito yung ating representation, so what will be our inequality? So, copy lang natin. 30x plus 28y is greater than or equal to 840. Okay, so this will be our inequality. Okay, so dapat sa inequality pa lang tama po ang pag-represent natin dito. Okay, so let's proceed to the